Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password of HSBC Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for HSBC Bank. And click on this first website over here. Now we need to click on login option on the top right corner over here. Now we need to enter our username here. And simply click on continue. After which we get into next page in which we need to enter our password, but since we do not know our password, we need to click on forget your password written over here. And if you have forgotten your username as well, you can go and click on forgotten your username here as well. Once you are done clicking on this, we get into next step, that is we get an email for the verification and we get a code. Once we enter the code, we get to reset our HSBC Bank online password. And after this, we need to get back to this page and enter our username and password and simply click on continue to get into HSBC online banking interface. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.